If your engine feels sluggish, your fuel economy is dropping, or your car just doesn't breathe like it used to, there's a good chance your air filter is holding everything back. And here's the problem most people run into. They either buy the wrong filter, overpay for marketing hype, or stick with a clogged OEM unit way too long. That's wasted performance, wasted fuel, and long-term engine strain you don't need. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 high-flow air filters for improved horsepower, so you can actually understand what's worth buying and what's just noise. By the end, you'll know exactly which filter fits your driving style, your engine, and your budget, without guessing. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want honest, real-world automotive breakdowns like this. I drop hands-on reviews to help you avoid bad purchases. Check the description for the best current deals. And if you're unsure which filter fits your vehicle, drop your car model in the comments. I'll help you sort it out. Starting at number 5, the Toyota Genuine Parts Air Filter. This is a factory-style replacement filter made with pleated high-density filter paper designed to match OEM airflow and filtration standards. The frame is rigid, molded plastic with a precise factory fit, meaning it drops directly into Toyota intake housings without modification. It's engineered specifically for Toyota engines, ensuring proper sealing and airflow consistency, and it's designed to meet OEM specifications for dust and particle filtration efficiency. In real-world use, this is the definition of safe and predictable. I've seen OEM-style filters like this used in everything from daily commuters to high-mileage vehicles, and they consistently do one thing well: protect your engine without changing performance characteristics. It's perfect for drivers who want zero risk and factory reliability. Here's the truth most people miss. Sometimes maintaining OEM airflow is exactly what your engine is tuned for. The only drawback is that you're not gaining any performance increase, but you are getting long-term engine protection. Now, if you want something built for tougher environments and heavier-duty use, the next option steps things up. At number 4, the WIX Filters 46930 Heavy-Duty Air Filter. This filter is built with industrial-grade pleated media designed for higher dust capacity and extended service life. The frame is reinforced with durable polyurethane sealing material, ensuring a tight fit even under vibration or rough driving conditions. It's engineered for heavy-duty applications, making it suitable for trucks, work vehicles, and engines that operate under demanding conditions. From hands-on experience, WIX filters are known for consistency in harsh environments. I've used similar filters in work trucks and fleet vehicles, and they handle dirt-heavy conditions much better than standard passenger filters. This is the kind of filter you want if you drive on dusty roads, haul loads, or spend time off pavement. It's not flashy, but it's built to last. One minor drawback is that airflow is slightly more restricted compared to performance filters, but that trade-off comes with better filtration efficiency and durability. Now here's where things start shifting from durability to comfort and efficiency. At number 3, the AC Delco GM Original Equipment Cabin Air Filter. This is a factory-grade cabin filter designed specifically for GM vehicles, using multi-layer filtration media to trap dust, pollen, and airborne contaminants before they enter the cabin. The structure is designed for precise OEM fitment, and it integrates activated carbon layers in many versions to help reduce odors and improve air quality inside the vehicle. In real-world driving, this is a noticeable upgrade in comfort rather than engine performance. I've replaced cabin filters on customer vehicles where airflow through the vents was weak or musty, and swapping in a clean AC Delco filter immediately improves air freshness and HVAC efficiency. This is what most people don't realize. Cabin air quality directly affects driving comfort and fatigue over long trips. The only downside is that it's vehicle-specific, so it won't give performance gains, but for daily driving comfort, it's extremely effective. Now, if you're looking for real airflow improvement and long-term performance benefits, the next option is where things get interesting. At number 2, the K&N High Flow Original Lifetime Engine Air Filter. This is a performance-oriented filter made from multiple layers of oiled cotton gauze sandwiched between aluminum mesh, designed to increase airflow while still providing adequate filtration. It's washable and reusable, meaning it can last the life of the vehicle with proper cleaning and re-oiling. The design is engineered to reduce intake restriction, which can improve throttle response and potentially increase horsepower depending on the vehicle. From experience, K&N filters are a go-to for enthusiasts who want a slight performance edge without modifying the intake system. I've used them on both stock and lightly modified engines, and you can feel a subtle improvement in throttle responsiveness. Here's where this really stands out. It's not about massive horsepower gains, it's about efficiency and airflow consistency over time. The trade-off is that it requires maintenance, and if over-oiled, it can sometimes affect sensors, but when maintained properly, it delivers excellent long-term value. And finally, at number 1, the FRAM ExtraGuard CA8755A Replacement Engine Air Filter. This is a high-capacity paper filter designed for extended protection and consistent airflow. It uses advanced filter media to capture more dirt while still maintaining strong airflow characteristics. The frame is built for exact OEM fit, and the pleated design increases surface area, allowing it to hold more contaminants before needing replacement. It's engineered for everyday drivers who want reliable performance without maintenance complexity. In real-world use, this is one of the most balanced filters you can install. I've used FRAM ExtraGuard filters on daily drivers, and they consistently deliver smooth engine performance, clean airflow, and solid fuel efficiency. This is the kind of filter that just works. No tuning, no maintenance, no guesswork. It's ideal for commuters, families, and anyone who wants dependable engine protection with slightly improved airflow over standard OEM filters. The only minor drawback is that it's not reusable, but that simplicity is also what makes it so reliable. So here's the bottom line. If you want pure factory reliability, Toyota OEM filters are the safe choice. Wix is best for heavy-duty and dusty environments. AC Delco keeps your cabin air clean and comfortable. K&N is for enthusiasts who want airflow and long-term reusable performance. And FRAM ExtraGuard takes the top spot for the best all-around balance of airflow, protection, and everyday usability. At the end of the day, your air filter isn't just a maintenance part, it's your engine's breathing system. Choose the right one, and you'll notice smoother performance, better efficiency, and longer engine life. If you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe for more real automotive breakdowns. Check the description for the latest deals, and drop your vehicle in the comments. I'll help you choose the right filter for your setup.